4 questions about Java I want to answer. What is Java? Where is Java used? Advantages and disadvantages, future of Java, and print Hello World. Java is a popular programming language in the world. It's owned by Oracle and more than 3 billion devices run Java. Java, created in 1995. This programming language is a high-level, robust, object-oriented, and secure programming language. Mobile app development. Java provides a feature named J2Me, which is a cross-platform framework to build mobile applications. Most of the Android applications built using Java. Popular Java-based mobile apps are Twitter and Google Earth. Desktop GUI applications. We can develop GUI applications using Java. Features of Java help us to develop advanced GUI applications, including advanced tree-based or even 3D graphical applications. Web applications. Cloud-based applications. Game development. Java has been one of the most widespread and most efficient programming language for a long time. The reason is this programming language has many advantages and features, but Java have disadvantages too. In this following, I will talk about the advantages and disadvantages of Java. About advantages of Java, I can say it's simple programming language to learn and easy to understand. Another advantage is secure language because it doesn't use explicit pointers. It's object-oriented that helps us to enhance the flexibility and readability of the code. Java is high-level programming language too. It means it's similar to human language. First disadvantage of Java is slow. This programming language consumes more memory compared to native programming language like C and C++. Java provides not so attractive look and feels of the GUI. And in Java, memory management taught the use of garbage collection. Whenever the garbage collector runs or executes, it affects the performance of the application programming. In this day, it seems the future of Java will continue to have a very good future. Software that solve a specific purpose like CRM or ERP, good internal software orchestration frameworks have been built using Java. So, this software built with Java, they will continue to use them now and in the future.